Hey guys, Jesse Hooven, and then he's
Beer Money Motorsports.
Yeah, so he does ECUs, custom ECUs for your Miata. He's out of High Point, North Carolina. So if you need want to do tuning and different ECU for the Miata, this one of the persons that you can get to. Right. So what can it do for you?
Everything. It's fully tunable, fully programmable. It's proprietary design, all done by a group of guys called Rusty FI. Brilliant group of guys. It's not based off of any other ECU. It's its own deal. It uses Tuner Studios for familiarity. Want to run bigger injectors, whatever you want to do that you need an engine controller, this can handle it all.
Well, good.
Awesome thing.
Yeah. So if you're thinking about doing an aftermarket ECU, Jesse's available, and look him up out of High Point, North Carolina.
Beer Money Motorsports.
Beer Money Motorsports on Instagram. Yep. And so there you go. Thanks, Jeff.